Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Rippy.
I'm Rinku.
So today we are at this magnificent mansion in the heart of Toronto. So this is called Castle Loma, and this was built in 1911 and the construction got ended in 1914. So around 300 workers built it, and this was built by a very rich person that time. So he was Sir Henry Pallet. So this place was once a home of Sir Henry Pallet and his wife Mary. And when the World War started, actually there was some financial crisis, and this construction at this place got halted. After that, due to the financial crisis, Sir Henry Pallet, he was not able to pay the property taxes, and this got seized by Government of Canada. So now this is occupied by Government of Canada, and this is operated as a museum, and wedding events happen there. This is kind of a event venue and museum and film shoots. So we are going to take you, and let's all of us take a sneak peek to that rich life out there. Let's go. Castle Loma is located at 1 Austin Terrace above Devonport Road.
These maps will guide us to each room and all the way exit point, entry point of the castle, and these devices will give all the information about every room here. We just need to press the room number and play button, and we can hear all the information about the room.
So what you are seeing here is called Oak Room, and this is most decorated room in this castle. All the formal occasions used to happen here. Library is very spacious and sophisticated. The antique wooden panels and bookshelves are present here.
Now we are heading to the conservatory, which is a very popular spot in the castle for wedding and formal receptions.
The castle contains 98 rooms and is considered the largest private residence in Canada.
This is the classiest room in the castle, having a little balcony.
We are right now at Sir Henry Pallet's suite, that is his bedroom, and it is his cot. This is a tiger skin.
Little sad to see this though.
Both are really fascinated with all the infrastructures and modern facilities they were having. Like, can you imagine 100 years from now they were having so much facilities and so much well designed, well kept it is. This room is Lady Mary Pallet's room, who was Henry Pallet's wife, and as you can see, this room is a little bigger than Henry Pallet's room. So basically, she had a better room than her husband, and she obviously had some private space for her friends and family. So it is out there, and we are going to see that.
As she loved the ornate design of China, most of her room decor depicted this artwork. This truly made her chamber stand out amongst the rest. Amongst the 5 guest rooms that Palace had, this was designed in Chinoiserie pattern. This style is an European interpretation of decorative artwork.
Did you enjoy the view? This is our beautiful downtown Toronto from the tower of Castle. And the view behind me is Scottish Tower, which is now closed. Many movies and series have been filmed within the castle. Popular movies like X-Men, The Pacifier, Chicago, series like Titans, etc. A tunnel connects Casaloma to the hunting lodge to the stables. Casaloma hosts haunted Halloween events, Christmas shows and seasonal events. Since this is Halloween time, tunnel is now designed in the Halloween theme.
Vintage cars from the early 1900s are featured in the Casaloma garage. Since 2014, they have been on showcase to the public.
This ends our trip to Casaloma today. As beautiful as this castle looks from outside, so it is from inside. So if you are in Toronto, just come here and visit this place. You're gonna like it. And if you like our channel, do like, share and subscribe. See you in our next video. Till then, bye. Stay safe. Stay healthy.